In this video, I will show you how to cancel a Google Drive storage plan. If you've previously purchased extra storage for Google Drive, that storage is managed through Google One. As you can see, the storage you buy applies to your entire Google account, not just one service. This means the extra space is shared across Google Drive, Gmail, Google Photos, and other Google services. Before canceling, it's important to understand that once you end your Google Drive storage plan, you'll lose the additional storage across all of these services, not just one. Now, if you're sure you want to cancel your Google Drive storage plan, start by opening your web browser and going to google1.google.com. Make sure you sign in using the Google account that currently has the storage plan. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on the gear icon to open the Google One settings. This will take you to the membership management page, where you'll see details about your current storage plan. Here you'll notice that you have a couple of options. You can downgrade your plan by clicking on Change Membership Plan and selecting a lower storage option, or you can upgrade if you need more space. However, if your goal is to completely cancel your premium Google Drive storage plan, click on the drop-down menu and select Cancel Membership. After clicking Cancel, Google will ask you to confirm your choice. Before confirming, keep in mind that if your account goes over the free storage limit after cancellation, you won't be able to upload new files to Google Drive, and you may also face issues sending or receiving emails in Gmail. If you're fully aware of these limitations and still want to proceed, go ahead and confirm by clicking Cancel Membership. Once completed, your Google Drive storage plan will be canceled, and your account will return to the free storage plan. That's how you can easily cancel your Google Drive storage plan using Google One.